Welcome to all. Myself Prakash Malik of class 9 studying in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Jagatsinghpur, guided by Mr. Amit Kumar Chauvy sir, PGT History. My topic is Fundamental Rights of Indian Constitution. First one is right to equality. Right to equality is an important and meaningful right provided in Article 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 at the Constitution. It is the principal foundation of all other rights and liberties and guarantees. They are equality before law, prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth, equality of opportunities in matters of public employment, abolition of untouchability, abolition of titles. Second is right to freedom. The Constitution of India contains right to freedom given by Article 19, 20, 21A, 22 and the view of guaranteeing individual rights that were considered vital by framers of the Indian Constitution. Article 19. Right to freedom of speech and expression, right to assemble peacefully and without arms, right to form associations or unions, rights to move freely in territory of India, rights to practice any profession. Article 20. Protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21. Right to protection of life and personal liberty, right to education, right to health, right to shelter, right to environment, right to privacy, right against cruel and unusual punishment, right not to be subjected to bonded labor, right to travel abroad, right against solitary confinement. Article 21A. Free and compulsory education to all children of the age 6 to 14 years. Article 22. Regarding protection against arrested the domination under certain cases. Third one is right to information. Right to information empowers every citizen to seek any information from the government, inspect any government documents and seek certified photocopies thereof. Right to information also empowers citizens to officially inspect any government work or to take the sample of material used in any work. Fourth is right to against exploitation. Right against exploitation gives Article 23 and Article 24. First one is Article 23 gives provision of traffic in human beings and provision of forced labor, and Article 24 gives provision of employment of children in factories. Then 5 is right to freedom of religion. This right to freedom of religion gives Article 25, 26, 27 and 28. Everyone has the right to freedom of thought, consciences and religion. This right includes freedom to change his religion or belief and freedom. Article 25 says freedom of consciences and free profession practices religions. Article 26 says freedom of manage religions, and Article 27 says freedom as to provenance of terms for promotion of any particular religion, and Article 28 says freedom as to attendance of religion instruction of religious worship in certain educational institutions. 6 is cultural and educational rights. The cultural and the educational rights reserve the right of any section of citizens to conserve their culture, languages or script, and right to minorities. Article 29 says protection of language and script, protection of culture and minorities. Article 30 says right to minorities and establish and administer educational institutions. Last one is right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies are form of Article 32 to 35. It empowers the citizens to move to a court of law in case of any denial of the fundamental rights. This right to constitutional remedies consist of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari and quo warranto. So thank you all.